So, hi guys, good morning. So, ito nga yung nangyari sa akin guys, yung kumain ako ng balot. So, nag-react kaagad yung katawan ko guys, kaya napa-research ako. Kasi nagsuka ako at, you know. So, ayan. Food intolerance or sensitivity. One reason. Balot is high in protein and fat, and some people's stomachs just can't tolerate it. This can cause rumbling, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Food poisoning, contamination. Then balut spoils easily if it's not cooked or stored properly. Even slightly spoiled balut can irritate your stomach. Weak or sensitive stomach, like hyperacidity or gastritis. Balut can trigger excess stomach acid, leading to nausea and loose bowel movements. Gallbladder or digestion issues. Fatty foods can cause stomach upset if your gallbladder or digestion isn't handling fats well. Psychological or conditioned response. If you once got sick after eating balut, your body may now react automatically when you eat it. What you should do: avoid balut for now. This is important since it happens repeatedly. Drink water or oral rehydration if diarrhea occurs. Eat light foods like lugaw, banana crackers if your stomach is upset. Avoid fatty, spicy, or oily foods afterward. When to see a doctor if vomiting or diarrhea is severe or frequent. If there is fever, blood in stool, or dehydration. If this also happens with other foods, not just balut. So the bottom line, your body is telling you balut is not good for you, even if others can eat it without problems. And that's okay. So ayan na guys, so kinakailangan ko talagang respetuhin yung katawan ko. I should love my body. Kasi nga, talagang parang umaano na talaga yung katawan ko guys. Parang super tanda ko na yata. Ngayon lang ako nagaganito. Actually, second time na. Kasi after eating balut, yan talaga. Kalawang beses na ako nagaganito. Iba na yung pakiramdam ko. Hindi kaagad sa guys. Siguro after mga kadalasan nangyayari after 4 hours or after 3 hours. Yun lang naman yung kinain ko. So, yan yung napansin ko sa katawan ko guys. Talagang nagsusuka ako, tapos balik-balik na ako yan sa CR, hindi na ako mapalagay. Kaya, ayun, never na lang muna akong bibili. So, I respect naman po na sa mga nagtitinda ng balut. So, pwede naman po kayong bumili ulit sa kanila, pero for me, sa aking katawan, so hindi na lang muna guys. So, ayan. Kasi, nagiging okay rin naman ako after nung vomiting at alam nyo na. So, nagiging okay rin naman ako. Lalo-lalo na kung kumakain ako ng mainit na lugaw. So, yun lagi yung solution. Kaya naging okay na naman ako ngayon. So, ayan. Let's take care of our body, guys. Respect sa katawan natin. Follow natin kung ano yung natin, reaction ng katawan natin. So, kung ganito ang naging case, so dapat i-avoid na lang para healthy. So, hindi na lang natin gagawin ulit yung mga bagay na nagpapabigay sa atin ng pain o sakit. So, thanks guys for watching. Bye-bye. Please subscribe.